Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my another video. So today I will share a startup event from Gateio exchanger. So in ongoing time there have many startups, so you can join every startup. So for joining a startup, simply click on this button. After clicking on this button, simply see the second option, its name startup. Simply click on it. After clicking on it, you will come in this page. Then normally scroll down. There are DomusAI. This is our today's setup. So guys, first join the startup. For joining the startup, simply click on it. Then after clicking on it, you will come in this page. After coming here, you can see that its total reward amount 70,000 USDT. Then how to join? So for joining, simply click 0 free to claim. After clicking on it, simply click I have read and agreed. After clicking on it, simply click 0 free to claim. And at first I want to told a thing. So for joining a startup, your spot assets must be need 10 USD. Then you can join a startup, and then you're eligible for lucky draw, and like your spot asset value is 10 USD, and also you have VIP 1, VIP 2. Then you are eligible for shares. It means you are eligible for the confirmation reward. Like I have VIP 2, so now I am available for 40 shares. So simply click 0 free to claim. Then click I have read and agreed. Click 0 free to claim. Then the subscribe done. So like that, everyone, fast join the startup and subscribe the startup. Thank you so much for watching my video.